In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up browser notifications in HubSpot. To do that, you need to head over to the settings, which is this gear icon. Proceed to click on this. Once you have done that, you should be able to see your settings. So head over to the notifications tab, which is this case. Once you're in there, you can see the email and desktop option, and under that, you can see browser. Make sure that we have in here this checkbox because if this actually looks like this, that means it's turned on. So you need to click on this and make sure that there's a check, which means that this was enabled. You can choose right here the sound applicable. You can choose between 1 second or 2 seconds as well as 12 seconds option. So once you're done, it will be automatically saved, so there's no need to click onto the save button anymore right there. So you can also choose what to get notified about. You can choose between these options. So that's all there is today. And if you have any questions, comment them down. And if you haven't subscribed to HubSpot yet, make sure to use your affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.